Sending emails with Apollo. Today I'm going to show you how to send email from Apollo. So let's get started. First go to Apollo website from your web browser and log into your account. After logging into your account, you will see a dashboard screen like this. From here, click on the left dashboard option, email. After clicking on the email, you will see a screen like this. From here, click on the option that says templates. All of your emails will appear here. Now, click on the option that says create new template and you will see this form appear. Now add your name, folder, tags, owner name, subject, body. From here, now I am adding the name of my folder. After adding the name of my folder, I will go to the settings that says browse and I will browse all of the folders. Now I will enter owner name and then I will add subject. I'm adding subject marketing PR and then I will add the body. After adding body, I will insert a link from here, link option, and then I will insert a photo. After uploading all the details, I will click on the option in the upper right corner that says save. After saving the settings, the screen like this will appear. Now from clicking on the three dots menu, you will see a lot of options. From here you can easily send your email. Now I will go to the sequences option from here in the left dashboard, and from sequences I will select the option from where I want to send my email. So now I can add my contacts to send email, and that's how you can easily send emails with Apollo.